Today I'm going to show you how I like to use the Horus Lash Lift Mascara to give my lashes volume and length. Now, as you can see, I've already applied it to one of my eyes, but I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate it on the other eye so you can see exactly how it performs. Now, I love that this mascara has a curved wand, which really helps to get from the root to the tip of every single lash, including the ones on the inner corner and the lower lash line, so you get an even coverage. To apply, I place the wand at the bottom of my lashes and then wiggle it from the root and drag it up to create volume and get an even coverage of mascara on every lash. The curved wand also helps to get to those outer corner lashes too, which often get missed when you have just a straight wand. So after only one coat, you can already see how much volume and lift that has given my lashes. When your mascara has dried, you can also go back in and apply a second coat. This helps to just fan out any lashes that may have got stuck together, which will give a more full and voluminous finish. For the lower lashes, I just sweep the wand lightly over the top to cover them. I don't want the look to be too cakey or to look spidery, and so by doing this, it just creates a nice natural finish.